Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes B180. In this video I'll tell you what is the best engine for this car. The B180 comes with a 1.3 liter turbo petrol engine producing 136 horsepower. It's ideal for city and moderate highway use with good fuel efficiency, around 6.5 liters for 100 km. Other variants include B200, same engine with more power, diesel B180, B200, better for long distance drivers, but DPF issues and higher emission costs may be concern. For everyday use, the B80 petrol is the most balanced choice, refined, efficient and lower maintenance than diesel. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.